I feel like that really helped my channel to grow very fast. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I would like to share with you how I grew my YouTube channel from 1,000 subscribers from the beginning of this year 2024 to 20,000 subscribers. Now we are currently in November, so I'm already on 20,000 subscribers. I'm going to share all the tips I implemented with you in this video. The very first thing I did was posting short form content on the YouTube short feed. I repurpose content from TikTok, Instagram, right onto YouTube. So that helps people to watch and then click on my videos to watch longer form content. And you know, on the short feed, you have subscribe button right under, which is in red. That means it's actually highlighted. It's easy for people to click subscribe on the short feed more than even the long form content. Though people could subscribe on the long form content, but it's very easy to subscribe and move on to the next video. So it's just like clicking a like, click subscribe, and then scroll up. And then the second thing was posting consistently. If I tell you these videos, since they are short form content, they are very easy to create. If you want to create a long video, you have to take maybe a week, or you can post one video per week or 2 videos. But if they are short form content, I can upload a video at least once a day, and that really boosted my growth. Very third thing I did was to niche down. Some people say don't niche, others say niche. For me, niching worked for me and it's still working for me. When I create content that are very far from beauty content, they don't get views, I tested with TikTok. TikTok is the best platform to first of all test things, and then you go on to implement on other platforms. If you create content, you should know about this. So even some videos, before I post, I first of all post them on TikTok, especially shorts or reels. If I have to post them on Facebook or Instagram, I first of all post on TikTok. Once they start getting views, getting attention, I know that those videos are definitely going to go on other platforms. I figured out the most engaging videos on my niche, and then I made sure I created them again and again. So long as my viewers don't complain that they are boring, so long as they keep learning and keep practicing, especially as they are makeup videos, I repeated the same procedure. That like those videos that get the most views, I make sure I recreated them and again. That helped me to grow very fast. And whatever thing I did, like maybe I do skincare, I do makeup, if this doesn't go, I know that it might not go. So it helped me to really niche down. I focus mainly on the makeup part, and when I repurposed the videos on YouTube Shorts, they were really doing well. So yeah, niching down is very important. If you just mix things as a new person, it's very difficult for people to subscribe to your channel, except that you are the old schools that get lots of people who like them. Yeah, they are going to watch anything you post, because they always look up, they always look forward to your videos. So yeah, fourth thing I did was tracking my progress. I followed my insights, like I read my analytics each and every day. I check the countries that are watching my videos, I check the time I post, I check when my followers are most, or my subscribers are most active, and I make sure I upload towards that time. So implementing all of that really worked for me, and as I'm telling you, I'm on 20,000 subscribers now within a year. It's not even up to a year. This is November. It's gonna be December next month. So if you are stable, if you get yourself a niche, if you post consistently, if you post on your short feed, if you follow your analytics, analyze and adjust, you'll be able to grow your channel very fast. If you are posting on the short feeds, make sure you are posting long form content that are linked to those shorts, because if someone watches a short and then clicks to and gets into your channel to watch the long form of those videos and doesn't find them, they will scroll, and you know you need those views on the long form content to get the money. Short money, we know, is very little, but short helps you to get subscribers and to direct people to your channel to come and then view those long videos, so you can make the money that you wanted to make on YouTube. So guys, it's not only about that. You can also get views and lots of subscribers from your long form content. But if you are still starting, that's my advice, and it worked for me. Post more of short form content. It helps your channel to grow very fast. Thank you all for watching. I hope this will help you, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Let me know in the comment section other ways that you tried and they worked for you when growing your channel, so I can learn too. Until next time, see you, bye.